What we're looking at here is the Kayo USA Storm 150. The Storm 150 is a great unit for large teenagers right up to adults. It features a low-maintenance 4-stroke engine which delivers great power. It has a semi-automatic 3-speed transmission with reverse. When it comes to suspension, it offers easy steering yet soaks up the gnarly terrain. The frame is strong and stable while maintaining a light weight. The Storm 150 is covered by a 6-month limited warranty. Now let's get into some of the finer details and benefits of the Storm 150 from Kayo. The Storm 150 features a single overhead cam 4-stroke 140cc displacement air-cooled motor with remote oil cooler. It puts power to the ground via a semi-automatic 3-speed transmission with reverse. So here's the 3-speed transmission. You go down, reverse, and then up through the other 3 gears. Nice little heel-toe shifter action going on right there. That transfers that power to the rear wheels via chain drive. Up front, we have a double A-arm suspension. And in the rear, we have a single non-adjustable monoshock. When it comes to braking power, we have dual hydraulic disc brakes up front and a single hydraulic disc in the rear. When it comes to tires and wheels, we have 20 by 7-inch tires up front on 10-inch wheels. And in the back, we have 19 by 10-inch tires on 9-inch wheels. The seat height of this vehicle is 29.3 inches and the wheelbase is 39.3. This vehicle features a ground clearance of 5.1 inches and carries 1.8 gallons of fuel. This Storm 150 is a great unit and comes in weighing just 268.9 pounds. If you have any further questions about the Storm 150, please leave a comment down below. Or you can click the link and visit us at azmotocity.com. If you have any questions about the bikes that you'd like to answer via the phone, we're here for you as well. Please give us a call at 623-777-1626. Thanks again for your interest in this Storm 150 from Kayo USA. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.